the hero of the royals and majesties.
Let the castle get open and start the festivity.
Everyone, this is your Fairy Land Party. Hello, jolly greetings to everyone. Today we are celebrating the birthday of Princess Alexa here at Jollibee, Solana. Okay, I am your party host, Gandolf, together with me.
Ate Arsen.
Okay, everyone, bottom on M3. Here request everyone to sing a happy birthday. Please sing. Okay. Okay, bago po tayo pumasok, kakantaan po natin si Baby Alexa. Okay? Everyone, you may now enter to Fairy Land Party.